Good morning, everyone. My name is Manish Kumar Mehta. I am from Purnia, Bihar, and I am a medical representative right now. The person who are trying to get a job in pharma field and want to become a medical representative, I want to give some information about this job to you because this profession will be new for you all. So first of all, you all need to know that the role of medical representative is very hard. The job of a medical representative is very hard. The role of medical representative is to meet the doctors and explain our products, detail our products, and convince the doctor to give the prescription of our product, that whatever we are having, for example diabetic department or cardio department or ortho department, whatever you have to meet the that type of doctor. Currently I am in diabetic department, and as you can know that doctors are giving a particular day and time for the visit of medical representative. For example, right now it's early 6 a.m. and right now I am in Madhubani, Purnia, in front of Hero showroom, and the doctor name is Dr. UB Singh. The visit pattern of Dr. UB Singh is that he takes visit 3 days in a week, that is Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And the process of visit is that in early 6 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. you have to come here, and you have to come here, gather here, and you have to submit your bag in the doctor's chamber, and only 15 numbers are allowed. Means if you are late and you are at 16th, then your visit not will be done there. Okay, so you have to come here early 6 morning, and you have to wait for the compounder who will come and unlock the chamber. And after unlocking the chamber, he will write your name, that from which company you are and what your number for what is your product. And only with the manager, means your ABM, RBM or ZBM, if you are in joint work, then only you will be allowed to meet Dr. UB Singh. So this is the type of visit pattern which mostly doctors having, that only Wednesday he will take your call. So the role of medical representative is very hard. The life of a medical representative is very hard. You will have many meetings, you will have you have to share many data, you have to make many data, you have to make 11 doctors call in a day. So these are the compliance and many other things are there which you will have to do. And at the end of the month, you will have to do the target, whether you have to meet to the stockist, request for the order. So there are lots of things you will have to do there. Okay, so don't think that pharma field is very easy and anyone can join, anyone can come here and earn money. No, it's very tough. At first you will have to take idea of the market, that which doctor is taking visit at which day, what is the timing of the doctor. You have to make relations with the compounder, whether you are very much educated. For example, I am a BSc Honours Agriculture student. I have completed my BSc Honours Agriculture from Punjab Technical University, and I was having a good marks, that is 93 percentile. Okay, whether you are very much educated, but you will have to request to the compounders who are mostly uneducated. Okay, you will have to request them that please let me meet to the doctor, please bhaiya. You will have to request there. Okay, so this job is very tough, and if anyone thinks that he is going to join a pharma company and he will be earning a good handsome money, no, there is no any handsome money. There is only incentive policy, there is your expense policy, there will be a increment after 1 year. There is very I want to say that this role is very tough and not everyone can handle this. I am handling this right now because I can handle this. If you can handle this, whatever I am saying, that you will have to meet the doctor early 6 a.m, come in, and after that you will go to your home, take a bath, and then after you will go to the field, and the whole day you will be meeting the doctor, 11 doctors, which is the requirement by each and every company, 10 to 11 doctors. Okay, so the role is very difficult, and after that also you will have to attend the meetings, you will have to attend the activities with the company's campaigns that the company is currently running. So these are the things which you have to face in this job. And also you will have to make a good relation with the stockist, with the doctor, with the chemist, wherever the prescription of your doctor is going. Okay, there you will have to make a good relation, whether the chemist or compounder will misbehave, but also you will have to make a good relation there. Okay, this is a very tough job, and yes, there is a good career growth in pharma also. If there are these problems in this job, these are the problems which the medical representative is facing, but after that there is a career growth also. If you are good performing in the company, the seniors will appreciate. And also if you are doing good after having a good experience of 2 to 3 years and a good performing, if your sale is increasing day by day and your relation with the doctor is also increasing, your relation in the market is also increasing, then also there is a good promotion here. You will become ABM, that is the first line manager. Many companies have different names. For example, if I am a medical representative, other companies there is a therapy manager, somewhere it is a territory manager, TM. So the the designation name is different, but the post is medical representative. So if you work hard here, then you will be promoted, and in 3 to 4 years or 3 years, and you will get a good position. And if you believe that you can do it, please come to this field, welcome to this field. But there are difficulties in this field, and also nowadays the scenario of market is there are many competitors. If you think that you are from a number one company, then don't think that your medicine is the best. Medicine is best, I agree, but the competitors are many competitors in this field, and many companies also. So the competition is very tough. You will have to make a relation with the doctor, you will have to do promotion very well, then only the doctor will prescribe, then only your sale will increase. So this is a field where you will grow, but you will have to do a good hard work there. Okay, this was just a suggestion from my side, because many people are thinking that I will join the pharma field and I will earn money, I will do a good career growth here. They are not knowing the problem, they are not knowing the solution. I am here in this field, so I am giving you just my review about this field, just my opinion about this field. Yes, this field is very good and also very bad. Okay, it means that the person who is taking it very good, he will go, he will take the permission, he will go ahead. But the person who is just doing time pass here, then sorry, this field is time limit. This field has time limit. This means that if you crosses the age of 30 years, I am giving 29 years, max to max 30 years. If you are crossing 30 years and after that you are changing the company, then mostly MNC company will say that sorry, we cannot allow medical representative above the age of 30. This means that you are age bounded. This means that till your 30 years completes, please take promotion. And whenever you will take promotion, your age will be bounded. Okay, when you become ABM, then there is also a age limit that up to 35 or 38 years you will please promote to RBM level. Otherwise other companies will not take ABM above 35 years. So these are the things in pharma that you will have to grow. If you join pharma, you will have to grow. Otherwise there are many problems in this field. Thank you so much. This was just information from my side to all the friends and to all the people who wants to join the pharma. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you.